Hi everyone, this is the TI-36X Pro. We're going to do fractions on it. All right, let's see. So we can press the fraction button here. Let's say half plus 3 over 4. 1, bring it down. 2, bring it over the D-pad. Plus. And then you can type 3 and then the fraction button brings the 3 on the top. Then 4, enter, 5 over 4. Let's say I want to change that 5 over 4 into a mixed number. And let's see. And we can do that by pressing math. And here it is, the first one. Enter. So take the answer and then change it into a mixed number. And you can go back to it. You just press math, 1, and it brings you back to the improper fraction. Let's say I want to reduce 50 over 150. I want to reduce fraction. Type the fraction, enter it, and it reduces for you. If the fraction is already reduced, it's not, it's not going to do anything. Let's say I want to change this into a decimal answer. Right here on the almost equal, fraction to decimal. So press second, almost equal, enter. You can see it takes the answer. F to D or D to F, fraction to decimal, gives you a decimal answer. And if you press it again and you press enter, it gives you a fraction. Okay, then let's say you want to add a mixed number. Here's number 7. This is a mixed number right here. So press second, 7, type in 5, move over, 1, bring it down, 4, bring it over, 5 and 1/4, plus, you type in the 3, then the fraction button, over 8, okay, and then enter, gives you 45 over 8, and again, you can go to second, almost equal, gives you the decimal form, and if you go back to a fraction, you can take these fractions and then you can do something like square that. Enter, gives you, in this case, a mixed number. And what you can do is you can take math, right? And you go to the first option, enter, gives you an improper fraction. So you can utilize these fractions and do operations on them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. Please tell your teacher about it. I hope you have a great semester. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.